Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Aquarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energy. Aquarius, this is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, Aquarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here first. We have Seven of Swords, King of Cups and Queen of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, Aquarius, you are someone who is really talented and you are someone who protects others, who is very responsible. You are very loving, caring and a kind person, and you are taking good care of the people who are with you, guys. And today, maybe for some of you, you trust someone and this person is maybe your friend or a relative, or this may be the person you love. They are they are with you, they are in a relationship with you, but you feel that you cannot trust them because they are having a different different ideas. They have something else on their mind, they have some intentions, they are here only to use you in some ways, and they are not to be trusted, guys. And maybe for some of you, there are people telling you that you should not trust this person. So maybe it may be your friend or a family member. So they are hinting you about this person, that they are here only to make use of you in some ways. They are here to make use of your financial status or position. Maybe you are in an important position in life. Maybe you are a team leader or a CEO, someone who holds an position with power and authority. So they are here associating themselves with you just for that reason, guys, and it is not love what they have towards you. And you need to be really careful of someone is really here to grab your offers or opportunities, or maybe even your physical things. So you have to keep your things and yourself safe, guys. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Three of Wands. Maybe you are waiting for certain things, guys, waiting to make the right decision. So for whatever you have achieved or whatever you have gone through till now, you are thinking, taking stock of that. Maybe your experiences, whatever you have had with this person, and you want to make the right decision today. So maybe you are waiting for the right time or waiting for the right decision to come up. So you're waiting for that firm conviction on your decision, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with this card. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Seven of Wands. So in your career situation, you are struggling really hard, making a lot of efforts. There is a stiff competition and you need to work hard, but you are in a very advantageous position today. Things will go well for you, guys, because of your efforts and talents and skills. So that is the energy with these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first choice and this is your second choice. So whatever questions or doubts you have in your mind, you can think about it and choose the card, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card for y'all, for those who have chosen this first card. We have not. So with this card, guys, maybe sometimes we try really hard, we do everything possible within our limit, and we desire for certain things, but no matter how hard we try, the results we seek sometimes elude us, and it is as if we are watching the game from the sidelines. And maybe the appearance of this card just indicates that we are not going to get what we are dreaming for. Maybe our dreams will be fulfilled in a different way, guys. So whatever happens, you need to have that acceptance. That is the energy. So sometimes we face rejection, and we need to understand that rejection is a form of God's protection towards us, guys. So maybe only the right things will reach us. The same way in our relationship, sometimes even in the beginning of the relationship, we may feel that, or that relationship is bound to move towards failure, guys. And sometimes it may be because certain red flags that appear in that beginning escape our observation, or we refuse to acknowledge them. So we need to understand that certain relationships are not meant to be, and it is not possible for us to make it be just like we dream, guys. So rejection is a sign from the divine that you are protected. And if you are in a situation to reject this person, remember that you are doing that for both your welfare, guys, for your good and for that other person's welfare too. And there is a perfect match for each and every one of us. We should not forget that. Maybe this person may not be our best fit. So sometimes maybe you are interested in someone, or you are in a relationship with somebody, and maybe there are troubles in this connection. You need to understand that if you feel that it is not going to work, you can stop making it work, guys, and see where things are going with this connection. So that is the energy with this card. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this crystal and this card. It is black tourmaline. So with this card in your situation, guys, it just stands for healthy boundaries, guys. So when we have good fences, we make good relationships. So the appearance of this card just means that we have to know when is the time to be alone and when is the time to be together. And if you are feeling tired lately, maybe somewhat bored or somewhat lethargic or tired, you need to understand that you are neglecting yourself at some given level, and you are giving too much, maybe suffering from empathy, or suffering or depending on someone too much. Maybe that may be the reason. You have to see what it is. And you should not yearn love through self-sacrifice, guys, or not feel overwhelmed in your relationship. So this is the time for that. This is the time. Maybe you are even matched with your soulmate, but whatever it is, you need time for yourself. You need time for yourself, and time to give that other person freedom, and time to enjoy certain things together. Maybe you need to spend time alone or spend time with your friends or do something alone. That is going to help you in a better way, guys, make you more relaxed in your relationship and make you more fulfilling and nurturing in this connection. So you need to understand where you need to stop your indulgence on that other person or their indulgence on you. So that is the reading with this card, guys, with this crystal spirit. That is the energy. And thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.